To add a private note, click on My Notes at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. First, you'd click the big plus sign. Then you'd give your note a title, so let's say Business Management. Then Add Note, Open. Then you'd click on Edit, add your content, and there are features provided. So if you want to say change the font, add bullet points, or insert a table, you can do that. If at any time you want to make any adjustments to your notes, you could always go back and edit it. If you want to delete a note, click on the note you want to delete, and at the top right corner, you'll see the three dots. Click on it, click delete, and you'll be given a sign, to make sure you're sure about deleting it. Then you click delete and you're done. Simple, right?